kids, hope you are enjoying learning. In the last lesson, you just learned to do addition using number line. Do you know that we can also use a number line to do subtraction? I will show you how to do it in this lesson. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's start subtraction. Today we will find the difference between two numbers. Now what is written here? 3. 3 minus 1. Minus means subtract. 3 minus 1 equal to what? Where is 3? Show me where is 3. In this we will go backward. Where we will go? We will go backward. We will jump backward. So 3 minus 1. So where is 3? Here. 3 is written here. So we will jump backward like this. So 3 is here. 3 is here. We will jump backward. How many times? One time. We will jump one time. Okay. Now what it is written here? When we jumped one time, what is written here? 2. So what will be the difference between 3 minus 1? 2. Now here comes 6. Which number is here? 6. 6 minus 3 equal to what? So where is 6? Where is 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it is. 6 is here. Then where she will jump backward? Where she will jump? How many number are there? Which number is written here? 3. 3 times she will go backward. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now what is written here? 3. From 6 she has jumped 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. So what is written here? 3. So answer will be 3. Now another number. Which number is this? 4. 4 minus 2 equal to what? So we will find it equal to what? Where is 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4. What we will do in minus, in subtract, what we do? We go backward. We will go backward. So, how we will jump? How many times we will jump? 2 times. How many times? From 2 times. From 4, she will jump 2 times. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many times she jumped? 2 times. Now, what is the answer? 2. What is the answer? 2. Here she stopped. So, 2 will be the answer. It's time for practice. So, what is written here? 4. 4 minus 2 equal to what? Look here. Where is 4? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is here. So we will go backward. How many times? 2 times. It is written here. 2. How many times we will go backward? 2. 1. We will jump 1. Then 2. Now which number is here? 2. So the answer will be 2. Now next, 5 minus 3 equal to what? Where is 5? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many times we will go back? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then which number is coming? 2. So what will be the answer? 2. Next, 6 minus 2 equal to what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is 6? Here is 6. How many times you will go backward? 2 times. How many times? 2 times. 6 is here. Then 1, 2. 2 times we are going backward. Then what will be the answer? 4. So we will write here 4. Next, 7 minus 3 equal to what? So again we are counting. We will find 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is here. So how many times we will jump? 3 times. How many times? 3 times. So backward jump 1, 2 and 3. So which number? Where did you stop? 4. So the answer will be 4. Next, 3 minus 1. So where is 3? 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 is here. How many times we will go backward jump? 1. So we will jump only 1 time. So we have jumped 1 time. Now which number came? 2. 2. So we have finished our worksheet. Isn't it fun? Bye bye.